Dial M for Murder was written by Frederick Knott and is actually a British play that was written in 1953, transferred to New York, a very successful run, and it is the classic murder mystery.
You had better prepare yourself for a surprise, Mr. Halliday.
When you say murder mystery, you can go in many directions in trying to describe the work, but in this case, it is the story of the perfect murder.
It's sexy and violent and glamorous, and it takes place in the 50s, and it's about these characters who've reached the end of their rope, and they're doing anything they can to hold it together. And for my character, she's trying to maintain her marriage, hold it together, or die.
Dial M for Murder is not a whodunit, but will they get away with it?
It's really great to work here because this is the largest regional theater in Florida, and it's amazing to see a big theater like this work and meet all the people that make it happen.
There is nothing better than a thriller on Halloween, so come to opening night at the Malt Jupiter Theater's renovated space. It will be amazing.